Hi YouTube, welcome to part 4 of the kitchen build. Make sure you guys check out the other 3 episodes about the counter and the shelving and stuff like that. This episode is about the Macrocarpa bar table that we built. We'll just show you how we did it. It's got the steel frame and came out pretty cool. But before we get into it, please like and subscribe and let's go. So I built this steel frame for the table to sit on. And then we've got some heavy duty casters down here on nice rubber, they're soft rubber wheels. And up here is a Macrocarpa slab that we got from Armor. And we put about 9 coats of polyurethane on it, which is like a marine grade urethane. So no, there won't be any rings from wet cups and stuff like that. And we also wanted to have it sit about halfway over the fridge here. And it's like kind of like a little bar area, and you can wheel this out and do what you want if you're having company and have a lot of space to do things. So let's go back in time and I'll show you how it all went together. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You don't want to miss any cool videos. Make sure you guys check out our website if you are interested in a cool kitchen like this, because I can give you a free quote. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Catch you next time. See you later.